Standard 6th subject Social Science. Chapter number 15 Government. Part 1. As we all know, in our family or in our home, the elder members of our family administers or manages all the needs and necessity of our family. As same as our country also needs to be handled by the responsible persons or responsible citizens of the country. That's why it forms a government which administers and manages the whole country. The government works for the management and administration of our country. As we all know that our country, India, is the largest democracy in the world. We all know the works done by the government in our daily newspapers, televisions, or in conversations. People are talking about the work done by the government. Government works in the planned way for the development of our country. The members of the government of our country is elected by the voting of the people. The government of our country is elected through the voting by the people and it keeps the constitutions in the mind. For nation, reformation and implementation is done by the government. Government makes various laws and implement them in the whole country for the effective running of our country. India is the largest democracy in the world. But what does the democracy means? Democracy means of the people, for the people and by the people. That means the government of the people, government by the people and government for the people. It means it works by the people of our country, for the people of our country and it is of the people of our country. People elect the representative through voting. A system of government by the whole population or the eligible members of the state through the elected representatives is known as democratic country. There is a rule in our country the people above 18 years of age are able to vote for the elections of our government. Our country is the country of diversity, which we have learned in the previous chapter, unity in diversity. There are lots of diversities in our country, but still we live with unity. It is the largest country in the world and the maximum number of voters. Due to diversities of the country, it is difficult to manage from one place. Therefore, our government works in the three levels: local self-government, state government and central government. Local self-government takes the charges of the village or cities. State government takes the charges of the entire state and central government works for the entire nations. The rules or laws made by the central government are implemented on all over the country. That means each and every state has to follow the rules made by central government. The rules made by state governments are followed by that particular state for the welfare of the people of the state, as all the states has different culture, different thoughts and different weather, climate and situations. Therefore the rules are also different from each other. Therefore the rules made by state government is implemented on the state, whereas local government, that means takes the charges of village or city, is related to that particular village or city. The government is necessary at various levels. It works from the bottom level to the top level. That means from the village to the capital of the country. The ways of governance are very useful for the formation and implementation of rules. Our government form the rules and then implement or make into use. We have learned about the government and its various levels. These levels are useful for the development and maintenance of law and order. Democratic system has been adopted in our country in the context of government and governance depending on its structure. In next part we will learn about the types of government and how it is effective to the welfare of the country. As there are many types of government which includes monarchy and democratic country. First we will learn about democratic government, then communist government and then monarchy. Monarchy means Rajashahi, the state or country ruled over by the king or the queen. That type of government is known as monarchy. The government which runs according to the citizens of the particular state is known as democratic country. Till then, you have to learn the meaning of government and the meaning of democracy. Next part, we will learn about the types of the government. Thank you.